Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see an easy, no oil or ghee added halwa recipe which can be easily prepared in 10 minutes. Let's start with the recipe. In the mixer jar, I am adding half cup of coconut, half spoon of cardamom powder and 1 cup of water. Now we have to grind these ingredients smoothly. After grinding it smooth, I am going to add half cup of brown sugar. It is okay even if you are going to add jaggery powder. Now we are going to grind the batter again. Now it's ready to filter the water from the coconut. Using a sieve or a filter mode, just drain the water alone from the coconut. I'm going to add another cup of water along with this. For half cup of coconut, I'm adding 2 cups of water. Just strain all the water from the coconut mixture thoroughly using your hand. The more you take the water, the halwa will be more spongy and more flavorful. So here I'm done with the water extraction. Now I'm going to add half cup of rice flour, salt 1 pinch. Mix the batter using a whisker. It's okay even if you're going to serve it with the serve ladle. Now the batter is ready to cook. In a pan, just switch on the flame. Now we are going to add the batter well by mixing it so that the rice flour which is set it down comes up, and we are going to just stir the batter for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes the halwa will be ready. We are just going to stir it continuously for 10 minutes. It's not going to be that tough. Just start stirring. The moment you start to stir, in 1 or 2 minutes the mixture will start to get thickened, and after 5 minutes the halwa will immediately leave the pan and it will roll around the pan. So the mixture is thick now. Just keep on stirring. After 8 minutes the mixture has got very thick. In a minute or 2 it will start to leave the pan. Keep stirring. The halwa mixture has started to leave the pan. Keep stirring. Our halwa is almost done. The moment it rolls round the pan altogether, we can switch off the flame. Our rice flour halwa is done. See the pan how it is rolling. So now we can switch off the flame. This process takes hardly 10 minutes. Now I'm using a tiffin box to just mold the halwa. For that I'm using oil to grease the tiffin box. And after greasing is done, I'm going to add the cooked halwa mixture to it. Add the halwa mixture as soon as you switch off the stove. We are just making this process to get our halwa into shape. So now you can just level it up using a spoon. Leveling gives perfect shape to halwa. So just like this, level with a spoon. Make it as an even texture. Now it's leveled up. Here I am going to add half spoon of ghee out of my own interest on the top of it to avoid drying. This is quite optional. It's okay if you're not going to add any ghee. Now I'm going to refrigerate it for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes the halwa is all set to make into pieces. Now here I'm going to add grated badams. They are also very optional. I'm just adding it to give an appetizing output for the halwa. Garnish as such without any gap on the halwa. Give a firm press on the top for the badam to set on the halwa. When you cut the halwa into pieces, this badam will give an appetizing texture for the halwa. Now I am using a knife to unmold the halwa from the tiffin box. Almost done. Now we are going to just flip the tiffin box upside down. It's not going to be that hard to take the halwa out from the tiffin box. Our halwa is done. I'm going to make pieces as by my wish. You can also make pieces like cubes, rounds, as you wish. So this is a simple, healthy and an easy halwa recipe. This is very much loved by kids as its taste is very outstanding. We have not added ghee or any other extra ingredients to make the halwa soft and spongy. We have just added coconut milk for its surface to get clean. Please do try this recipe at home, and please subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. And I'm waiting for your valuable responses to be switched in the comment section. Please do try this recipe and let me know your feedback in the comment section. We'll see you with another simple recipe in our next video. Thank you.